know.
Oh yeah, look at that. Hey, where'd you get that from? Where'd you get that from?
I forgot.
Oh, here it is.
Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Philly. I just came from the shower. My hair is still wet. I really need to do something. Like, I need to learn how to do hairstyles because I feel like your hair is a big part of how you look, and I really never do anything to my hair. It's just, it is what it is. Okay, so update. I'm 265 pounds. Yes, I'm happy about it. I reached my goal with my friend. The bet. I won the bet. Yeah, so I'm happy about that. I've been doing consistently one meal a day, and it's been working for me. It's super hard to begin. Yeah, I've been doing one meal a day. Usually around between 3 and 6 is when the last time I eat. So sometimes I'll eat last at 3:30, sometimes it'll be 5:30, and then I'll fast for literally like 24 hours, which to me has been working well. I'm not feeling hungry. I'm not feeling like sometimes I get headaches, but Advil takes care of that. Might need to bump up the nutrition a little bit and eat more like leafy greens. But to me, one meal a day just works really, really well, just because not only is it maximize your weight loss and fat target, but it also benefits of autophagy. It's kind of hard to explain what autophagy is, but it has to do with your cells recycling damaged portions of it or something like that. You can look it up on YouTube what autophagy is, and usually you hit those benefits around the 18-hour fasting mark. We had an awesome time on Sunday for Father's Day. I took Dave out and his daughter to the Revolving Restaurant at Perry 360. It was amazing.
Ashley's taking me out for Father's Day. So nice of her. You guys, I'm sure, to see the presents after. Pretty cool. Pretty thoughtful.
He deserves it. You're welcome. I'll have a few clips.
Looks good. There is no way you did that. Oh my god. You're crazy. Sedona. And I was that other night.
Oh my god, as if.
I am shocked. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is crazy. Thank you. That is not. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, thank you so much. Look at that. Look, and a card for the game of Canada.
I'll just take
Thank
it.
you. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you, Ashley. You're so awesome.
But the full video will be on the Dave and Ashley Adventure channel. And also, yesterday we went to, where did we go yesterday? Oh, we went to McDonald's because he was like super hungry and we were kind of running a little short on time.
There we go.
Yeah.
Like Gracie McDonald's.
Before our movie started, we wanted to see a movie. It was either Rocket Man or Men in Black. We were late on Rocket Man, so we just ended up watching Men in Black at the IMAX.
Okay, cool.
We're gonna go watch X-Men, what do you call it?
Men in Black.
Men in Black.
She has no idea because when she turns the camera onto herself and holds it like that, she only focuses, oh my hair, oh this, oh that, oh that. So she just totally doesn't even know what's going on.
A little bit. What did you think of it?
Shit.
Really? That was okay. And it was decent. It wasn't bad, but whatever. Dave didn't like it. But also I'll have a clip few clips, and then the full video, which is not really even a full video, it's just clips. It will be on the other channel, combined together with Father's Day. But yeah, today is going to be a thrifting day because we haven't thrifted in a hot minute and a half. I have to mail out some packages that people purchased some stuff on my Instagram selling page. So if you are not following me on my Instagram selling page, make sure that you follow me there. The link will be on the down bar. Let us go to Value Village. And then I need to, oh, I could go to Shoppers. I forgot, I brought a couple of packages. I sold my MCM backpack. I love that backpack, but at the same time, it's kind of like, I don't really use it. I use it when I travel, and how often do I travel, right? And plus, I don't know, I have my eyes on some other luxury backpacks eventually. So, but it's an amazing backpack. It's literally like used 3 times, and I bought it brand new. So the person who bought it had an amazing deal. So, and plus MCM just had a recent price increase, so love it. Well, let's go to Value Village. We haven't been thrifting in a hot minute, and I literally have a lot of coupons, 20% off coupons that I haven't even used yet because I just haven't been thrifting and haven't found anything. I've actually got a substantial amount of messages from people saying, I miss your thrifting videos, you're not thrifting anymore. Sorry. Just a lot of life stuff. It's not even stuff that you see on the videos or the Insta stories. There's a lot of other stuff I've been doing. So let's go inside and check it out. Oh, it's a beautiful day out today. Beautiful blue skies. Beautiful day to find something thrifting, I think. These are these. I don't see them. But I could think of sunglasses. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. They were Porsche. Little Calvin Klein. This looks like a Givenchy. This mug is $17. That's cute. 20 bucks. Okay. Oh, there's Kipling, I think. Balenciaga-ish. Feels like leather. No, Balenciaga-ish. This is leather though, I can tell. Fake Coach. Is this cheap? No way, is it? It's not. I hope this works. Is this cheese? There's another cheese. Oh my god. Why is there so many cheese? Let's go try it. 35 plug-in. Well, it kind of sucks that they're both broken. I would have bought one. I really need a hair straightener. Village by Pembina. I haven't been here literally in like 3 weeks, so I'm a little bit excited to go in and see if there's anything in here. Let's go. Okay, so we're just looking through all these bags. We've looked over there. We haven't found anything yet. But we're still looking. Remaining hopeful that we find something cute. Look how cute this little Cole Haan bag is. It's like so tiny. They want 20 bucks for it. So this Coach for 25. Hey everyone, we're at Value Village by Polo Park, and we found nothing at the Pembina Value Village. We found nothing at the Value Village by my place. It felt really nice because at the Value Village by my area, I haven't seen the workers there in literally like 2 weeks. I haven't been there, or around 2 weeks, maybe close to 2 weeks. And she said, wow, like she was shocked that I've lost weight, and that's amazing. So thank you. It made me feel a little bit better. Yeah, so we're here at the Polo Park location. And we are going to check it out, see if there's anything. We can't vlog inside because this is the one that doesn't want us to vlog. So I'm gonna take that down. Let's go inside, check it out. I don't feel that bad that we haven't found anything. It's just whatever, kind of like the luck of the draw. How you play the game is what it is. But this might be the last location that we go to. And I feel like we might find something, even if it's small. Those Chi hair straighteners did not work. It was such a bummer, but whatever, it is what it is. I hope you guys are doing well. The weather is fantastic today. My friend invited me to go rollerblading, but I was like, what am I going to do while you're rollerblading? I don't know how to rollerblade. I tried rollerblading before and I kept falling down. Maybe because I was fat, maybe because I just don't know how to rollerblade, but I would love to go rollerblading one day. I feel like it hurts my feet. Maybe I need like a pair of like rollerblades that are cushioned or something. I don't know how that works, but I've only been rollerblading once and it wasn't successful. So I kind of passed on that because I don't want to be just walking by myself while she's rollerblading around town, the park. Regardless, what else? What else can we talk about before we end the video? If I do find anything, I will show you guys that we got something. Do I have to update anything else? Garage sailing is tentatively on Saturday with Dave. And So we might be doing that on Saturday, which will be fun because we can like drive around and like hit up a bunch of garage sales. And then I think that might be it. We'll go thrift because today is Wednesday, and then today's Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. I think we'll go tomorrow thrifting again, just like drive around to other thrift stores that we didn't go to today. And then we'll do that video for tomorrow because I want to go to the Unicity Value Village and then the one on Regent tomorrow. So we'll do that tomorrow. Those two, maybe hit up a couple Salvation Armies in between. And then, yeah, so that's it. Let's go inside, check it out, and see if we find anything. Yeah, bye. This is a cute Ralph Lauren bag. 25 bucks. Hey guys, Miss Philly. We are just coming from the Shoppers Drug Mart, and those girls looked at me like I was a freakazoid. Anyway, we're coming from Shoppers Drug Mart. We got 24 packs of water, a 24 pack of water for only, literally, I think it was like 99 cents. That's like a deal and a half. Like that's like unheard of. Like you buy a bottle of water from the dollar store for $1. So I picked up one because I can only carry one. I'm weak. I get so weak in the knees. Ooh, look at that guy carrying a lot of. Anyway, while I was in line at Shoppers, I felt, I don't know, I'm having a boost of confidence lately, and it feels amazing and it feels good because I was in line and there was like this sexy chocolate brother behind me, and then he was looking at me, and then he said hi, and I was like, hi, how are you? He's like, it's a great day. You're wearing a jacket and it's really hot outside. And I was like, oh, you know, I'm just so used to wearing a black jacket. And he's like, oh, nice. And then I guess I used my phone for like because I have all my cards, which thank you Alice of Dallas, she's the one that actually told me about it, or I heard it from her, where you can scan all your cards, like your rewards cards, points cards, onto an app called Stow Card, and then you can just show your phone and then it acts as your rewards points card. You can put your Sephora on there, Shoppers, Save on Foods, Air Miles, Scene card, any kind of card usually. And he saw it and he's like, oh wow, I didn't, like, what app is that? I'm like, how do you put all your cards in? I'm like, oh, it's an app called Stow Card, and then you scan all your cards in so you don't have to carry all your cards with you. And he's like, oh wow, it's so amazing. He's like, what's the app called? I'm like, Stow Card. And he started downloading it and we were chatting for a bit. And you know when a guy's chatting with you, if he's like interested or he, you know, whatever. And then when I left, he said, yeah, have a great day. And I'm like, you have a great day too. And I totally would have dated him. I really would. He looks, you know who he looks like? He looks like that guy. Oh, I can't remember what show it's from. Oh, I can't remember. Anyway, he was like a fine chocolate brother, okay? But who knows? He could have been married. He could have had a girlfriend. Who knows? He was just being polite or nice. But regardless, it's like a very nice confidence boost. And then, you know, at the Value Village, the workers saying how, wow, they were like amazed at how much weight I've lost. And it's just been a good day for self-esteem. So when you get that and that happens, it becomes very motivating. So I guess what I'm doing is working, and I guess I'm going to keep doing it. So, yeah, so that's that. That was really, it was a good confidence boost. So, yeah.